Hi everyone, you're very welcome along to the channel Hilly's Travels. Thank you very much for joining me. In this video and the next few videos, we'll be doing some vlogs here in Tenerife. I'll be having a look at the entire complex that I'm staying in, which is the Parque Santiago III. And in the future videos for Tenerife, I'll be showing you around the locality, all the different restaurants in the area, the lovely walks you can do, the beaches, etc. So please stay tuned for all that. Yeah, coming up in this video, I'll do a video around the Parque Santiago III complex. So you'll see just how amazing it is. But let's go on in. This is from the back of the Parque Santiago III. A lot of people come through here because there's a shopping centre at the front of the complex. When you're staying here though, if you want to use the pool, you do have to wear your wristbands so they can distinguish who's a guest and who's just visiting, doing a bit of shopping or having a coffee or something, like you can do right there. Okay, so lovely greenery about the place. I gotta say, it's a fantastic looking complex, very well kept as well. I believe there's around about 700 apartments in here. It's huge, it's massive. Now this is where the pool begins, just here. And there's all the way over there. A couple of little islands in there with, you know, deck chairs that you can sit in and bathe your feet. Bridges as well to connect them, of course. So there we go. Absolutely huge swimming pool, guys, isn't it? Let me know in the comments if you've been here before and what you think of the pool and what you think of the apartments as well. As we go over here, this is the bridge that you walk over. So you have that side, which we just looked at, and as I pan around to the left, the pool continues all the way up there as well. There's always lifeguards around. He's not in his position right now. He's just behind me doing something, cleaning the pool, I think. There he is. So if you've got any kids, it is safe. You've always got a life. And somebody on hand should anyone get into trouble in the pool. Okay, so what we'll do now is let's come off the other side of the bridge. By the way, if you're wondering why there's so many deck chairs about, first of all, it is early in the morning. I didn't want to do this while there was a lot of people around. Also, this will get a lot busier as we get to about midday and afterwards. These sunbeds will mostly be taken up. That said, and this is a good thing, there's never any sunbed wars around here. Always enough sunbeds. So what we'll do is we'll just go along this way. Like I say, starting this walk early, I don't want to disturb people while they're sunbathing. You got a little snack bar in there. Serves fast food and pizzas as well, and ice cream. That's just through there. Grab your parasols there, you can put onto your sunbeds. So let's take a walk up this way. So there's that snack bar we looked at a moment ago. What we're going to do is let's just take a walk through here. I'll take you through the mall. There's some serious shops in this mall, by the way. There's a barber's, there's hairdressers, there's beauticians, knick-knack shops. There's a shop where you buy football tops. My son bought a Tenerife FC football top here the other day. Let's just see some seating area here. With a lovely view of the pool, and again some lovely greenery around the place. There's a menu here actually. There's two different restaurants side by side here. This is the Atlantico restaurant. You can spend a few quid in here easy enough. If you could read those prices. This is the Snack Bar Nautico slash pizzeria. A bit cheaper to eat here, as it's just a snack bar as opposed to a more restaurant-y type feel. So there we go. Now, let's, as I said, take you through the mall. Again, it's very early in the morning, not much life about the place. It's not even really gone 9 o'clock, 9:30, that kind of thing. You've got the Malibu beachwear shop over there. There's a chemist next door to that. That's just the innards of the restaurant, the Atlantico restaurant, and there the interior of the restaurant. So we go further up here. You can buy some beachwear and swimwear in that shop just across there. It's really beautiful in here. Never gets overcrowded either. Always feels lovely and peaceful. And the location of the accommodation, as I mentioned earlier in the video, is terrific. There you go, there's that shop where you can buy your football tops. There's that Tenerife top. But you can get all sorts of football tops in there. Now again, to be honest with you, it's not the cheapest. Again, looking over here, Owl Paradise. Okay, there we go. There's Glow Hair and Beauty. Unisex salon. Gentlemen and ladies, welcome. And over the side, we have Chic and Cheap. Chic and Cheap in here. Wow, okay. That's a new one on me. Actually, those suitcases aren't too badly priced if you need a suitcase to carry stuff home with. Okay, so that's that bit. Again, more clothes shops and suitcases and that. Like I said, it's not cheap and tacky kind of feel to here. But then again, you see, you're only down the road from a lot of restaurants that are cheap and cheerful, as well as some of the more expensive ones as well. So you're kind of in the middle of everything here. You don't have to go too far for anything. There's the Black Diamond Can, barber shop, and nails unisex salon.
Hi.
Hey dude. We got a tattoo studio. We'll go just swing to the left. I'm going to take you to a place where you can get some light bites. Like a coffee bar, sandwiches, that kind of thing. If you just want a wee snack during the afternoon or something. Punto de Encuent, yeah, that one. There's no serves a lot of alcohol as well, as of course your coffees and teas, and as I say, light snacks, fruit, that kind of thing. There's the seating area just there. TV screens up. So where I'll take you next is, there's another mall down there. We'll not go down there again, same kind of shops really, if I'm honest with you. Let's just take a jaunt over here. So as you can see, there's so much going on here. Another mall full of shops down that way. More seating area there for the coffee shop. So let's now go up the escalator. So I'm tired of doing steps this week. Seriously, I'm going to do another step this week. And this will take you out onto the front of the Parque Santiago III, which is a street called, well, not officially called, but known as the Golden Mile, which is from here all the way down that way. That's the Golden Mile. I cannot see my screen, so I don't know what I'm filming. It's so bright. So if I just turn this around, you'll see that's the front of the complex. This is where I've come out of. Down here is more shops. There's electronic shops. There's pizzeria, restaurants, the Chinese, all the way down there, all belonging to the Parque Santiago complex. Straight ahead there at the corner will be the Parque Santiago IV. As a pan to the right, if you just take a right at those crossroads down there, you'll have the Parque Santiago II and then 1, and Parque Santiago V just across the way, right over a shopping centre, which is brilliant. It's very well stocked, that shopping centre. You can get everything in there, all your goods that you want for a self-catering holiday, and more restaurants here. So there endeth the tour of the Parque Santiago III complex. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks for listening. Don't forget, as I said earlier in the video, if you do want to subscribe, please do so. It really helps. And if you give the video a like and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. And thank you so very much again. See you later. Bye bye.